Hey guys, this is Mr. Jair from Tunstall Elementary, and this week I decided to teach you guys how to make a little 3D pop card. I'm gonna be making a horse, but you're welcome to use any design and make your own design. Okay, so the materials you're gonna need is the main card paper, which is light blue. You're gonna be folding it. I'm gonna be choosing brown to make the horse body. A water bottle or anything rounded to make the circles on the paper. Another construction paper. I'm gonna be choosing black for the hair and the other extra parts. Some scissors to be cutting the parts, and either a marker, pencil, or pen. So hope you guys enjoy. So let's get to it. Okay, so after you have your materials, get the body color, so the brown one, the water bottle and the marker, and just kind of make a circle at that little edge. So here. So after the circle's made, you're gonna wanna cut it, and then we're gonna be tracing all over the paper little circles. So just cut this part first. Okay, so now that that's cut, get the paper and fold it. Start folding it. So just go from here. Make sure to leave enough space to make the circles. So like that, and then fold it again. So something like that. Then just fold it again. Like that. Get the circle you made, put it in the middle, and trace it over again. Okay, so after that's ready, get your card paper, and you can make the main card any size you want. I'll be cutting it in half, and then using that half to make the card. So fold it evenly and then cut it. Then get your circles and get a glue stick. So get a glue stick, and then fold the small circles in half. So just repeat it over for all of them. Get one piece, get your glue stick, and glue one part. So get this part and fold it. Get the other half, and then you just kind of put it in like that. And then just keep repeating it for each one. Okay, so now that that's ready, just separate it, and as you can see, it created the body. So now, get your glue stick and glue the back parts of it. So here and here. And then align this with the folded parts. So something like that. And then just make sure it separates. Okay, so now that that's ready, with your axis, with the extra piece that you got left from this, you just kind of start making the body. So I might be using a pencil to make the head and then the little tail. So feel free to make any design you want, or shape your own horse however you want it. Okay, so now you wanna cut a tail. But for that, I'm gonna be using the color black to kind of make the little hairs and the little hair in the back of the head. So just feel free to add anything you want. Then get a black marker and make the eyes. And then like the little man. Okay, so now your horse is ready, your part. So you just hold it, then write your name. I'll be writing my name. Then you could add any design you want here, like clouds, a grass, tree. And you open it, and right there it's 3D. And then close it and give it to your friend. So hope you guys enjoyed.